Hi, I'm Mike Maxey, and as the owner of Bob Maxey Ford, I'd like to tell you about Ford's recently announced initiative, the Power Promise. Every new 2024 Mach-E and F-150 Lightning come with not only attractive lease offers, but also a free home charger and installation through one of Ford's certified installers. This provides the convenience of home charging and eliminates the need to ever go to a gas station again. My wife and I have owned a Mach-E for over 3 years now and have enjoyed the convenience of home charging along with savings of nearly 60% when comparing fuel costs to home charging. With 2 household vehicles, 1 gas, 1 electric, we've never taken 2 separate long-distance road trips that would have forced one of us to do public charging. So if you've been hesitant to consider an EV, but you have 2 household vehicles, please allow us to show you how the Ford Power Promise can save you money and make your life more convenient with home charging. Visit us at bobmaxeyford.com.